How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Fantasy Premier League on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the leagues and cups option you see there and then scroll down, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view your invitational leagues, your general leagues, your public classic leagues, your public head-to-head leagues. So tap on the arrow icon beside the league that you want to leave and you will see a confirmation pop up. Tap on the yes, I want to leave this league option you see there, and with this, as you can see, you have left the league. So this is how you can leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.